Want to write thread in Threads app but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to write thread in Threads app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch the Threads app on your phone. Now tap on the right icon which is at the bottom of your screen. Now enter your first thread. You can also enter your next thread by tapping on the Add to Thread button. After you have entered your threads, tap on the Post button which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. And that's how you can write threads in Threads app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.